Good evening, everyone. This is meteorologist Ted Keller. I wanted to give you a quick video update regarding the snow potential on Thursday. Now, for a couple of days, the computer models have been spiking a snow probability on Thursday, but forecasting a while, you tend to ignore those until you get a little bit closer to the event because they're often very spurious. They show up and then they disappear. Now, with this morning's computer runs and the mid-afternoon computer runs, there seems to be some agreement on some accumulating snow on Thursday. Now, I think there's a wide berth of possibilities with this still. It'll be a relatively warm snow with temperatures above freezing in many cases. But nevertheless, two of the computer models that we use here, United States models, are in agreement at least in putting down an accumulating snowpack. So what you're seeing here is one of the computer models, and I'll just simply go through these here and you can watch. Now, this is valid here. This is from the afternoon model run. This is valid on Thursday morning about 10 a.m. And we can just watch the snow go move through the Ozarks here. This is about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. There is 7 o'clock. There's the evening hours. That's about 10 p.m. on Thursday. So if you read the scale over on the left, the green is 4 inches. And we have some terrain effects down there northeast of Fort Smith that's pumping that up to about 6 inches. And that's as far as that computer model goes out into the future. So let me change models on you and back up a little bit here. Here we go. No, I'm too far out. There we go. This is the other computer model that we look at. And you'll watch, again, this is about 10 o'clock in the morning. You're talking about 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Thursday. Here is about 4 p.m., 7 p.m., 10 p.m., and then into the overnight hours like 1 a.m. or so. So what you're looking at here is a snow accumulation area which has been pretty consistent on that one. And then if we just kind of look with the other model, that was shifted a little bit more toward this area. And in both cases, they were indicating about 2 to 4 inches in an area. And it's an unusual pattern in that it's coming in. Let me turn this off for a second and just give you a chalkboard demonstration here and zoom out. This is one of these storms that's laying its snowpack down like this, coming at us from the northwest. Not unusual, a little rare, a little late season snow, sure, but again, neither one of these, the direction it's coming from nor the totals, are all that unusual for this time of year. I'll bring you another update in my morning blog tomorrow, and of course, as we get closer to this potential snow event, we'll have a lot more information on it.